Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will do a little stuff. So when you hit the UI on the website, you will be able to see about are you logged in or are you not logged in. So the client that have the user will be enabled to basically to get confirmed about the username and password is correct or it's incorrect. And then I found a little bug I will fix, and after that I will refactoring a little bit so we don't code the login process twice, so we can use a function for that. So that's what we're gonna do today. I really hope you stay here and enjoy this video. I'm really happy to have you here. And remember, you are very welcome to subscribe this channel. Just press on the subscribe button in the right corner with the ding. And if you have any questions, please make a comments below. I'll try to answer them. And else I just hope you want to like this and share this video with your friends, and then just sitting and learning from me. Thank you so much, and let's starting to do the code. The first thing we want to change here, we have twice expired at, and that's of course a mistake, so I'll just use an update at. And when we are creating the token, we need a created. I just need to find where we generate the code here. I'll just say create that, sorry, and down below here I'll just say updated that, and we'll have the date time UTC now, so we always can see when the last we have touched the token. And that's it. Let's go in for the web browser now and see what's happening. I'll just say ID and going inside, and we should hit the page. And of course we do this because we have fixing the bug. The bug we have done before, it's just saying the token will be expired at the same second as you want to create it, and that's the bug we want to fix now. And then we're going back for the editor, and now I think it will be nice to refactoring the account login. We have the flask here, and when we create, we don't need this one. Update sign in. We have the sign in process here, and we see about if you sign in, you do something else, you just send authorized. And what we want to do now is just put this and this code inside a function. So I will create a new library called account, and inside the account I just want to create a new class, call it account, and inside here we want to make this one, and we don't have anything inside. And then we will call it verified. I think that's correct. And then we basically need an email and password, and then we are good to go. What I want to return should be a bool, or need a onion. No, we just need to always return a dictionary. That's what we want to expect. And then let's go back and see about we just can copy this and put it inside. And now we need the account, the ODM. I'll just say from like the ODM account as ODM account, and I will do it inside here. Let's take this one, whoops, and go down here, and I'll just copy this type of code, else return false. Then we do this one, and I need to import login, and of course we need a little bit more. JVG should be import JVG, and we still have a little bit here, and we need the parslib hashed. So let's say from parslib, and we need the hashed, and then we need this one 512, sorry. And then we're going down and see what happened down below here. And we need the OS. And did we? Of course, we need the response. So we need a little bit more. Or we don't need the response. We just need to add login. So here we want to say verify, prepare, verify check, and then we say account found, check login data. And then we can go down here, account not found, and then we're going inside, password login succeeds, and failure. And what we do here, it's we just say return true, and then we say token, and we're sending out the token again, and false, and we send nothing here. And where is my account not found? I think I have removed that again, but we need to add it down below here. Not found, and then that should be the account here we have moved. So let's try it out. I'll just say from library, and then we're going down here, and the only thing we need here is this one, and verify account data is equal to account verify, email is equal to email, and password is equal to password. And then we do this one, and the account data, we just need this going away, and we will remove this one, and I think we're almost here. We need the data if we are going to OK, else not exist, or password is wrong. Succeeds, and that's what we want to do now. If I have done everything right, then we can go in for Postman and just press here without any crashes. And we do this, so now we have refactoring the login code, so it's just a verify with the email and password, so we can centralize. It's more and it's stronger. So the next one we want to work with should be the form. So this one, so we can see when you're logged in or not logged in, and that's what we are starting to do right now. So what we're going to do now, it's just going for the web so we can update the token. It's not expired, and then we are sure now it's reloaded again, going back to the code. And then we basically just need to add a request up here because we need to work with request. and then we just say library and then account, import account. We need to work with the account because now we will check the login about is the username and password is correct, yes or no. And based on that data, we want to show some small data here about a little alert. We will not sending you back for the accepted URL based on the provider, something like that. That's something I will work on and create a video on in the future. And then we go up here and say if the request method is equal to post, that's meaning we need to do something. That's meaning basically we have done something that will trigger this area of code, and that's fine. And if we do this, I expect we have a form with us. And this form get email, and we have one with password, and then we basically need to have an account too, and we need to have a account verify and account data if the account verify email and password is equal to password. Then you can send data inside and out. So if account verified, it's correct, we want to go inside here, else we will go inside here. And if not, that's meaning it's false. And if it's false, we will just copy this one and comment it out, put one inside, and then we basically want the same here, just with succeeds. And what we want to say here, it's login succeeds. That's what we want. And I think that's it. Before we can test it, of course we need a little bit here. We need to create the succeeds class, of course. And then we need the background, d4 EDDA. That's the background. And then we need the border. The border should be C3, E6, and then CB. That's a little bit green more. And then we need 155724. And that's it. That's the color of the text. And again, I have taken the color from Bootstrap, sorry. And that's because I really love the color scale in Bootstrap. Of course, you can change the color if you want, but I have working with that. And then let's going back for the browser and reload it. I will go for the Postman here, and we have just having a sign in to test demo email, and the password is 1234. I'll just copy this one and say 1234 and log in. Now you can see we have the succeeds. And if I do it again and say 123, logged in should be incorrect information. So right now you will confirm about the users logged in or not logged in. And that's what I want to show you in this video. And I really appreciate you have time to see how I'm working and how the project it's going and how it's taking shape. Thank you so much for having you here and get your time. I really hope you want to subscribe this channel by clicking on the thing in the right corner below. And of course, I hope you want to like it and sending comments if you have any questions. I'd really appreciate to answer you. Remember, you can find anything about this project in the description below. And I hope you want to share this video and add it for your playlist. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.